Hey guys, Sam here at Tbreak Media. I'm here with Arvin. We're down at Emirates Towers checking out the Polestar Electric Roadster concept vehicle today. What can I say? Stunning, absolutely stunning. Do you want to kind of go through a little bit of details about the vehicle?
Yeah, sure. So exactly as you said, this is the Polestar Electric Roadster concept. Will go into production under the name Polestar 6 LA Concept Edition, which we launched in LA earlier last year. This will be an exclusive part of 500 specific units for the first 500 edition vehicles. That will come with exclusive parts to the car. First thing will be the rims that are astonishing 21-inch rims. Exactly, will be exclusive for the first 500 edition vehicles. And then you will have an exclusive paint for the car as well. That will come in the color sky.
Yeah, it looks like a sky bluish color.
Correct. Nice. You can find it later on the screen behind us. And then interior-wise, I would definitely put a big knock on that one, I would say.
Oh yeah.
Because you will have the absolutely beautiful finish in the car. That will be sort of whitish. For the vehicle.
And the interior is this animal welfare leather, so it's all
it will be sustainable and we're running, as you know, a sustainable company, so we really want to track and show the blockchain of where we find all the materials and where it's coming from. Yeah, we starting to partner up with different type of companies to run this whole sustainability throughout the whole blockchain in the company.
Just to kind of go in what some of the specs of the vehicle, then I think I've got numbers here saying 884 horsepower, 663 newton meters of torque. That's impressive figures.
Yeah.
Can you kind of go through charging details and
600 kilometers of range. Everything is still estimation, so still what we're aiming towards for sure. 800 volt Technic as well, which means super fast charging. Compared to what others are doing today. Some of them are doing it today, I think. What else? We are doing the Smart Zone, I think. I want to touch a bit upon the Smart Zone. The Smart Zone you can find throughout all our cars as well to come. Starting off with the Polestar, I think we have it on Polestar 2, 3, 4, etc. coming out. Smart Zone will be a little zone with all the techniques integrated into one little area, such as like cameras around the car, etc. So I think that will be a part of all the vehicles. And you can find it on the car here later on the bonnet. You can see the little Smart Zone in the front.
Very cool. Yeah. Any other sort of tech features that's maybe unique to this vehicle over?
Well, as you know, we started up with, we were the first ones using Google Automotive services in the car.
Yes, that's
integrated
correct.
And partnered up with Google. So all the cars are powered by Google, which means that you can sit in a car and speak, "Hey Google, where is the nearest nearby restaurant? I want to find a restaurant," or whatever do you have in your head.
Sure.
So I think if you run that in the long term as well, of course, integrating everything with Google is superb in that terms of view. So I would definitely give a big ups to that one. Then of course our great partnership with the HiFi components, Bowers & Wilkins, that you can find in a lot of vehicles to come as well. This will also have the Bowers & Wilkins absolute astonishing sound system that will give you the best premium sound in. Absolutely.
When's it coming to the UAE? Any ideas?
So car will go into production. The Polestar 6 LA Concept Edition will go into production 2026.
2026.
Yeah, that's what we're aiming for.
And I think there's 50 units allocated for the
Correct.
region.
Yeah, 50 units allocated for UAE.
For UAE. Perfect.